Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Right here behind me today, I've got a 2017 Buick Envision. Why don't we take a look? Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps. Front parking sensors will keep you very safe. And then you do have the waterfall chrome grille, adding a sharp feel. A look down the passenger side. You have alloy wheels wrapped with hand-cooked tires. Inside, leather interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. One more look down the passenger side, then we're going to swing around to the back end. You have dual point exhaust, rear backup sensors and a camera, and this Envision is all-wheel drive. So on those wintry Wisconsin days, you won't be sliding all over the road. There's a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need more room. Power assist liftgate, so it's simply the press of a button. Hatch folds itself down just like that. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Audio, Bluetooth, cruise controls are all mounted here, and this is a heated steering wheel. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo and navigation. Dual climate control and dual heated seats, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Envision on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report that is provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.